Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with the favorite thought of mine. Good manners will open doors that the best education cannot. So, you all are ready to learn good manners? This is the golden chance for you right now. So, try to achieve more and more good things so that you can collect a very nice data. Yes, data. Chapter number 11, Handling Data. HANDLING. Handling. DATA. Data. Our current chapter, chapter number 11, Handling Data. What is the meaning of handling data? Data handling refers to the process of gathering, recording, and presenting information in a way that is helpful to others. For instance, in graphs or charts. Means, if we want to create or prepare a data, first of all we have to gather or collect the things. Afterwards, we have to make a proper record in the form of chart or graph. And prepare it to make a proper presentation so that the other ones can take help from that data. Here in this image you can see the first exercise we have completed. Let's make a quick revision so that you all can remind it well. Here We have an image of a park. There are swings, slides, seesaw, children's, greenery, and flowers as well. After observing the image, we have to create or prepare a data. How can we do that? Let us see. Question is, how many of each? Look at the picture and count, then fill in the boxes. Means, see. Here we have individual image of swing, seesaw, slide and tulips or flowers as well. With the help of given picture, we have to count and we have to fill the boxes. First, let's count how many swings are there. In this picture, we have 4 swings. Let's see number of seesaws. We can say that there is only 1 seesaw. How many slides are there? There are 2 slides in the picture. Flowers. There are 6 flowers in the picture. Now, here we have an image of vegetables. See which vegetables are present in the image. Tomatoes, capsicum, brinjals. So, we have to count individual and we have to prepare our data. I am giving you some time so that you all can observe the image properly. First, you all observe it. Count it and write down in your notebook. Afterwards, we will count it together and on that time you can match your answer. Now, first we are going to count number of tomatoes. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So try to draw the tomato. You should not color it, but at least try to draw a tomato. Write 1, 0, 10 in front of tomato. In this image, we have 10 tomatoes. Next, we have an image of a brinjal. Tell me, what is the color of the brinjal? Is it black or purple? Purple. Do you know brinjal has the thorn, crown, green color crown. Brinjal is called king of the vegetables. So, how many kings are there? Count it. First, you count it by yourself. I'm waiting for a while. I'm waiting till you finish your counting. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first draw the shape of brinjal. It is not necessary that you can draw exactly, but at least you can try to draw. Now, write 5. There are 5 brinjals in given picture. Now observe the image. What is remaining? Which vegetable is this? Can you observe? If you remember, in starting, I informed you. Yes, this is the capsicum. What is the color of the capsicum? Green. Now, count how many capsicums are there. One, 2, 3. So first, try to draw the capsicum. I told you before that you don't need to color it. or perfection is not necessary. But at least try to draw the shape of capsicum. Write 3. There are 3 capsicum in this picture. My dear students, here we have created a data with the help of given picture in the form of chart. Here we have prepared a data chart that in this picture we find 10 tomatoes, 5 brinjals and 3 capsicum. Now, if I ask you, which vegetable is the most? On that time, observe the data created by us. As we have 10 tomatoes, 5 brinjals and 3 capsicum, we can say that tomatoes are most. Which are least? By observing the data created by us, we can say that capsicum is least. Do we have any kind of vegetable in same numbers? See? So we can say no. We can't found that any of vegetables are same in number in given picture. So here we have solved one more exercise. Now, write the heading. Handwritings must be good, huh? T-A-B-L-E, table. Of 8. Yes, we are going to read and write table of 8. While writing, what should you keep in your mind? Yes, handwritings must be good as well. Leave one line after completing one. And yes, as you all are using square line book, try to write between the squares. Okay? I will repeat everything 3 times so that you all can complete it well. Eight ones are 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 sign of multiplication. 1 is equal to 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. I'm waiting so that everyone can complete. Eight twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. 1 more time. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. 8 fours are 32. Now everyone, check your handwritings. Is your handwritings good? Very nice. Move on to the next. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40. Now check your book. The way you are writing is good. You can compare with the screen. See the way numbers are written. All 8 comes in a straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a straight line, as well as answer and is equal to sign, multiplication sign, everything written properly. I told you before that right now you all are writing in a square line book. So easily you all can follow the steps properly. Okay? Now 8 6 48. 8 6 48. 1 more time. 8 6 48. 8 7 56. 8 7 56. 8 8 64. 8 8 64. 8 9 72. 8 9 72. 8 10 80. 8 10 80. So everyone, have you completed? Tell me what we have learned today. First, we make a revision of previous only one exercise. Then we understand and solve one more exercise, and afterwards we read and write table of 8. So I hope you all have completed your work with me. At your home, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.